Go. Okay. So this is the fish, and these gills right here are part of the respiratory system. And then down here, this is part of the digestive system and circulatory system. So what happens when the fish eats is it'll most likely eat starch and protein. The starch and protein go from the mouth into the digestive system and then into the stomach and intestines. There, the pyloric cilia releases enzymes to help break down the starch into glucose and the protein into amino acids. After it goes through that, it goes to the circulatory system, where oxygen comes through from the respiratory system too. And then the glucose, amino acids, and oxygen go into the cells. Then in the cells, the glucose and oxygen mix and make energy and water and carbon dioxide. Then the energy is used in the cells.